Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello my dear students and welcome back to this new English lesson for grade 7. I wish you time full of joy and benefit. Our lesson today is going to be about order questions. So in this lesson we are going to learn how to order questions, and we also are going to learn the order of questions. Let's get started. Look at this example, dear students. We have a picture. The speaker asks, "Can I speak to Ali, please?" Again, "Can I speak to Ali, please?" Notice, students, that this is a question. Do you think, is it a yes-no question or a WH question? Very good, it's a yes-no question. Why? Because it starts with can. Can is an auxiliary verb, and can is followed by a subject, I, and then the main verb, speak. And at the end, we have a question mark. To become, "Can I speak to Ali, please?" This is a yes-no question. Let's move to the next example. Look at the picture and let's see what the speaker asks. "Can I take a message?" Again, "Can I take a message?" Notice that this is also a yes-no question because it starts with can. Can is an auxiliary verb, and after can we have the subject I, and then take, which is the main verb, and at the end we have a question mark. Can I take a message? This is a yes-no question. Let's move to the next example. Number 3, the speaker asks, "Where do they work?" Again, where do they work? Notice that the question starts with where. Where is it? A yes, no, or WH? Very good, it's a WH word. Where. And where is used to ask about a place. And after where we have the auxiliary verb do. And then the subject they. And work is the main verb. And at the end, of course, we have a question mark. To become, where do they work? And this is a WH question. Let's move to the next example. Look at the picture and let's see what the speaker asks. "What are you talking about?" Again, what are you talking about? Notice we have what. What is a WH word? So this is a WH question. And after what we have the auxiliary verb are, and then the subject you, and we have the main verb talking. And surely at the end we have a question mark. To become, what are you talking about? This is a WH question. Okay, dear students, what about word order in questions? As you have previously seen, that yes-no questions, or the structure of yes-no questions, is we start with an auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. This is the structure of yes-no questions. What about WH questions? We start with a question word and auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. This is the structure of WH questions. And now, dear students, it's time to practice. Here we have an activity. In this activity we have scrambled words. We are going to put them in order to form correct questions. Let's see the first example. Number 1, Rana, swimming, is in the pool. We have words. We are going to put them in order to form a question. What do you think, students? Is it yes, no question or WH question? Very good, it's yes, no question. Why? Because we have an auxiliary verb is. So we start with is. And where is the subject? The subject, of course, is Rana. So is Rana, and then the main verb is swimming. Is Rana swimming in the pool? And at the end we put a question mark. This is a yes, no question. Let's move to number 2. Let's see the words Amjad, when, does go to bed? Is it yes, no question or WH question? Very good. It's a WH question because we have a WH word which is when. So we start with when. And then where is the auxiliary verb? Very fine. It's does. When does. What about the subject? The subject is Amjad. And the main verb is go, and then the rest of the question. And at the end we put a question mark to become when does Amjad go to bed? Again, when does Amjad go to bed? What about number 3? Let's see the words. You can speak any foreign language. Do you think it's a yes-no question or a WH question? Very fine. It's a yes-no question because we have an auxiliary verb. So we start with the auxiliary verb can. Where is the subject? Fine, it's you. Can you? And the main verb is speak. Can you speak? And we complete the rest of the sentence to become can you speak any foreign language? And of course at the end we put a question mark. And now, dear students, this is the end of our lesson. I hope that you have enjoyed your time and learned. Thank you for watching.